So I found something new in my garden. And to be quite honest with you, I found one of them the other day and I didn't know what it was and I thought it was gross, so I cut it off and threw it away. And then I found another one and I decided I should probably investigate as to what this is. And I learned something new. Let's see if you can see it here. Can you see this? Maybe I need to give you another view. That is a horned worm. Ew! No, actually it's really cool, but ew, I mean, like, when you first look at that, it's not really like something you want to find in your garden on your tomato plants. But these horned worms, they eat tomato plants. You can see over here, I already ate that. Okay, and now the wasp eggs have actually been laid on it and are eating it. So it's going to die. In fact, they say actually it's already dead, and those eggs are just going to get bigger and bigger, and then the wasp will hatch, and that wasp eats more horned worms. Okay, so it's kind of cool. So horned worms I think only like tomato plants. Anyway, that's where you find them, and they like walk around your plant basically laying larvae, I guess. And I saw a lot of people comment about this and how they're like never gonna eat anything fresh out of their garden again. I don't know, I still just take my tomatoes and rub them off and enjoy them. But now that I see this, it is a little bit gross. So do a little bit of research on horned worms and see what you can learn, because we found it quite interesting. If you do find one on your plants, you should remove it unless it already has those eggs. Then you should let it. But you should check all your other plants just to see if there's any other worms starting to eat. So far, all these leaves look pretty good, and I'm not seeing any that are eaten or chewed up. And that's where I would expect to find a horned worm. So I think we're good. I don't know what that is up there. I don't think I see any yet. The other hornworm that I found the other day was over here, but I tore that branch off, so I don't think we're gonna find anything else. Okay, so I did find another spot that I wasn't sure if the leaves were eaten by something, but it was so small that I think we're okay. I don't see any more, but even if there were more, nature would take care of itself, because those wasps would come and kill any other horned worms, so my tomatoes would not get depleted. It's kind of cool how nature takes care of